just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. He took the midnight train going anywhere.
For 6 months to look at our performance and redefine again our approach and strategies to make sure that at the end of the year we get a good flying color. Sana nga.
I smell of wine and cheap
September,
perfume. For a smile they can share the night. It goes on and on and on and on. Strangers waiting up and down the boulevard. Their shadows searching in the night.
Certified out of 2,339 target ko. Yung lunch po ng participants dapat doon naman po sa counterpart ng CBC. Ayun po. And then ilalagay
Working hard to get my feel.
for the faculty movement, we have
Everybody wants a
20%.
thrill.
Actually, we have
And anything to
29
roll the dice.
permanent
Just
faculty.
one
This
more
year,
time.
we want
Some
more
will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues.
So,
What a movie
based on the personal activity for the number of students who conduct
Up and down the boulevard, their shadows searching in the night. Streetlights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Streetlight people. Don't stop believing. Don't stop believing.
ESD strategy.